To begin building games, we need to download Python. So the first thing we'll do is to open up your favorite web browser and go to python.org, or you can just say download Python and just hit the return key. So this is the website, python.org. So let's click on download Python. And this is the latest version of Python. It's Python 3.12.3. So I'll just go ahead and click download Python. Now it's going to download it for my operating system. So if you want a different OS, just click on any of these to switch. So if you're on Linux or Mac or Unix, you can switch on that. So once it's completed, I'll go to my download folder, and right here, I'll just right click and go to run as administrator. So we can just set up that version. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. So I'll click yes. And I'll just minimize this. So now I already have Python installed, so I might want to upgrade to another version, but I want this version to be standalone. So what I'll do is to click on Customize Installation and make sure everything is checked here, and I'll click Next. And it says Precompile Standard Libraries. I'll just click Install here. So PyLauncher, I think this is super okay. So I'll hit install, and this should actually install Python. Now, if you're installing it for the first time, there's going to be an option that allows you to add Python as a path. Make sure you check that version. What it's going to do is to allow you have access to your system path and have any other program have access to your system path, basically where Python is installed in your system when you're working with a command line. So let me just go ahead and show you what I mean. So if I hit my Windows key and just say command prompt like that and click on this, I can see where Python. And so it's telling me I have this version of Python in this location and that location as well. And if you want to check if Python is installed, just type Python, and you can see we have 3.12.3, which means we actually have that version, but I'm upgrading this version. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. When it's done, we'll come back and continue the setup progress.